So in today's class we will start with basic variables variables, keywords, okay, how to take the variables like integers, characters, strings, okay. So like that we will learn in this today's class. Before that we will start with some installations. So overall not seen the video, so once again you can refer this class and make sure MATLAB installed successfully, okay. So I'll play one video, okay now. Okay, so this is a video, so just I will explain the steps, okay now. Okay, starting you have to download the zip file, compressed file from the drive link which I have shared, okay. So this is a zip file, so it is around 7.5 GB, and download it. So after that you need to extract that file, okay. Okay, so select that folder and click on extract. So it is a inbuilt tool, so extract to files. So after extracting you will get the original folder, okay, unzipped folder. So inside that there will be like multiple files like this, okay. So here you need to select the setup file, so which start with the installations of MATLAB, okay. Setup, the main application file is called setup. So here it shows MATLAB icon, okay, that is the main software you need to install, okay. So then it will ask some permissions, okay, click on agree, then it opens the MATLAB software, okay. So here you need to select no internet connection required, this option, okay. So after that click on next, okay. So after clicking next, click on the license agreement, click on yes, next. Here we need to add the license key, okay. So you need to copy paste the number, okay. That number will be here inside the cracked folder, okay. So I will skip for some moment, okay. So it will be inside the crack file, okay. So here the crack, okay. So crack, open the crack folder, you will find this bin, etc., Java and all. Click on install file. So here you will find one code, okay, that is the license key. Open the crack, install file, that is a notepad, okay. So here you will get the number, that is the installation key, okay. Copy that installation key and paste it in the MATLAB software here, okay. Then after this click on next, okay. Here it asks for the installations path, okay. Check which folder is empty, select that folder and click on next, okay. So here I am selecting another drive, not C drive. I am selecting E drive to install the MATLAB, because when the MATLAB is installed, it will take around 12 to 15 GB storage, okay. That's why you need to select the large storage drive. So before selecting the path, create one folder in that drive, okay. E drive, I will create one folder called MATLAB 2015 installation files. Create one folder, so where all the installations files will be saved in this folder, okay na. Select the path for the installations. So you can select C drive also if your C drive is having more storage means, okay. So then, so after selecting the path, okay. So then click on next, you will get the installation is complete, okay. Then click on finish. So after this, go to the search start menu, search for MATLAB. The software will be installed. We need to activate it. Okay, for that search for MATLAB, open the MATLAB software. Then okay, so after this, it will open the folder, activate folder. Okay, yes, click on activate manually without internet and click on next. Click enter the full path to your license file. Okay, so here we need to include one file which is LIC standalone file name. Select that file in the extracted folder. Okay, the folder which I have extracted 2015 64-bit software. Okay, double click on that, open. Okay, so here you will find the crack folder. Okay, so here you will find lic standalone.dat. This file you need to select it for the license agreement. Okay, click on the select. Okay, so after that, click on the next. So activation is complete. Finish. Okay, so there is one more last step, which is you need to copy 3-4 files from the extracted folder to installed folder. Okay, first open the extracted folder. Okay, so here inside the crack you will find the 3 folders, that is bin, Java and toolbox. Bin, Java and toolbox. You need to copy these 3 folders. Okay, not etc, leave it. You should copy only bin, Java and toolbox. Okay, now so copy it. So then you need to paste it in the installed folder, okay, where the MATLAB software is installed. Okay, so installation files, go to the installation files. Okay, here you need to paste the 3 folders, that is bin, Java and toolbox. Okay, first I will copy the bin. Okay, copy. And paste it in the installed folder. Okay, paste it. Click on replace the files in destinations. Okay, so like this you need to do for the 3 folders, Java and toolbox. Copy it. Okay, then paste it in the installation folder. Okay, so after this, the MATLAB software will open directly. You can go to the again start menu and you can open the MATLAB software directly. Okay, it will open the MATLAB software. Search for the MATLAB. You will get the MATLAB software directly. Okay. So when you click on the MATLAB software, it will open correctly. Okay, so this is all about the installations steps. Okay, so if you miss any one step, means it will not open. Okay, so make it correctly. So after completing all these steps, the MATLAB software will open without any error. Okay, so before starting the I will start with the scripting part. Okay, so all of you must and should install the MATLAB software, otherwise you will not get any information about the softwares or any. While I am explaining, you need to do it in the parallelly. Okay, so when you note down it and forgot it, means in the next time you will not use the same examples. Okay, and you will get many doubts. So that's why like write the program, execute the program parallelly with me while in the class. Okay, it will open the MATLAB software. The MATLAB software will be like this. Okay, so now I will show it in my laptop. So this is a video. Okay, so I will pause it, I will close it. Okay, so now like okay, I will close the MATLAB software in my laptop. So I will open it from the starting. Okay, so how to add it in the desktop means just go to the start menu. Okay, search for MATLAB. Okay, so in MATLAB here we have found the open and all options. So here there is a run as administrator, open file location and all. Click on open file location. Okay, so here you will get the MATLAB software application. Okay, so here it is. So right click on that, right click. So here you need to click on the show more options. Okay, and here send to, go to the send to, and here desktop, create shortcut. Okay, so this is one example method to add the MATLAB software to the desktop. Okay, so after clicking here, the MATLAB software will be available in the desktop. Okay, MATLAB shortcut. So just you can double click here, the MATLAB software will open. Okay, this is one time. So every time like when you are opening the MATLAB, just you can double click here, it will open the MATLAB software. Okay, so here we are finished with all the installation steps. Okay, after that the MATLAB software will directly open. So yes, for the new script you can just click on the new script icon, so it will open the new empty file. Okay, so I will close all the files. Okay, so initially it will be like this, and here you need to select the folder. So which folder means, first you need to go to the desktop, right click, click on the new, create new folder. Okay, this is the first thing you need before starting with the MATLAB. You need to do this step. Okay, so new folder, take new folder, name it as MATLAB programs in the desktop. Okay, so where you can save every programs in the same folder. Okay, so first create one folder in the desktop named MATLAB programs. Okay, now so after that go to the MATLAB software. So here for the new file you need to click on the new option, so it will give the new scripting sheet. Okay, here you can type the program, actual program, and here you will get the output. Okay, now yes, so now we will like to add the folder. So we have created one folder in the desktop. Okay, so how to add it in the MATLAB software means just click on this icon, browse for folders. Okay, click here to add the folder path which you have created in the desktop. Okay, so after clicking here, go to the desktop. Okay, and click on the folder which you have created, MATLAB programs. Okay, and click on select folders. Done. So now it is selected, the path is selected, desktop programs. So these are the programs already executed in which are saved in this folder. Okay, so currently if you have created with a new folder means there will be no files in it. Okay, already I have executed these programs and saved it in the same folder, that's why it is showing the list. Okay, so like how to take the variables in the MATLAB, just you can take an name. Okay, consider anything, your name also is correct. Okay, so first you need to type your name. Okay, name is equal to 1. okay, and place is equal to, okay, so you'll get confused. So for that I will take a, okay, for a is equal to, let us take a value as 2, okay, b is equal to 3, okay, then c is equal to a plus b. Okay, let us see the output for the simple program. Okay, so when you click on the run button, it will show like save the file and like selected folder and all. So just give the name as we are making an addition, okay, addition operation. So for that you can name it as add. Okay, so the files will be in the .m extension. Okay, always when you save the like files in the MATLAB scripting part, so it saves as a .m extension file. Okay, so it's an editor. Okay, then click on save. So it will create one add file in that folder. Okay, add.m. Here you can see add.m. Okay, so here we have executed the program. So now in the output side, c is equal to 5. 2 plus 3 is nothing but 5. It will show the c value. Okay, and also this is a workspace. So where all the variables shows stored variables and their values. Okay, these are the variables a, b, c, and a, b, c are the variables, and 2, 3, 5 are the values inside the variable, like that. Okay, so mainly the command window where you can type commands, execute immediately. Okay, so here what happens, we will write a full script. Okay, when you are making a project and all, there will be multiple operations where you will write thoroughly. Okay, so this is for that purpose, and command window is for you can execute the program immediately, okay, without any delay and all. Okay, and also you can just use the commands like shortcut commands. You can open the Simulink, okay, or anything libraries inside this command window. Okay, just you can type here and it will execute. For the shortcut keys and all, we use this command window. Okay, and this current folder is the path where you have selected the folder. Okay, so here you need to select the folder. The inside that folder, what are all the files will be there, those files will be displayed in the current folder. Okay, done. So like these are the options. You can open the saved program here, or else you can just directly click here in the list. Okay, so I will open this folder. Okay, let us open energy consumption program. Okay, so you can just double click here and it will open the program in the editor window. Okay, so that is one method to open the already saved files. And also you can save the current file by clicking here. Okay, and here there is a run option here. Okay, you can run the program by clicking this icon. In the home part there will be multiple options, okay, for like import data. So whether the data can be anything, Excel sheet, Word sheet, or anything. Okay, so you can import the data from the different format files. Okay, and there are multiple options in the home tool. Okay, so there is a Simulink library where you can go to the Simulink library and make the models and all. So first we will discuss about the basic MATLAB scripting part. So after that we will go to the MATLAB Simulink, which where you will do multiple models and all. Okay, so next there is a plot sections where you can see the multiple graphs. Okay, so either it can be like normal graph, bar graph, okay, pie chart, histogram, or anything. You can generate any chart using the multiple values. Okay, okay, so and apps, these are the MATLAB supported applications where you can do multiple different designing purpose, okay, optimizing purpose. Okay, and next in the editor you will get all the run options, save options, new, and all these options will be inside the editor window. Then inside the publish, so you will have the font size, font style. Okay, and these are the options you will get in the publish. Okay, so if you are writing the in point wise, you can select the bulleted list or numbered list and all like that. Okay, next in the view part there will be like multiple pages, left to right settings, okay, strings, alphabetize, customizations related to the like page setup. Okay, all these available in the view format. And here also there is a save option. You can just click on this icon and to save the current file. Okay, so after this there is multiple copy paste, cut and options, and undo redo options, multiple windows. Okay, and one more, there is a search documentation where you can go where you can check multiple commands detailed in detail. Documentation is purpose used for the like you can see more number of information related to the software. Okay, so that is the helpful part in the MATLAB software. Okay, so this is all about the like basic tools and options in the MATLAB software. So then we will start with the first program example. So first one is to take the variables. How to take the variables? What is the correct method? What is the like wrong things while taking the variables and all? So we will learn in today's class. Okay. So what are the variables basically? So I already shown you any characters. So you can take any characters. So where you can save the values in that character, and you can like you can do multiple operations. So either it can be mathematical operation or mathematical operations, okay, logical operations, or integration, differentiation, anything you can do using those alphabets. Okay, so these are the variables. These are the values saved inside the variables. Okay, so always when you are doing projects and all, you will get multiple variables related. Either it can be like integer, okay, or characters, okay, decimal, float, okay, long. So like that there will be multiple variables where you can use it for different purpose. Okay, now so let us start with the first program, that is so I already show A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, C is equal to A plus B. So this is a first program. So this is a simple method. So and also there are some commands in the like command window there where you can use it for clearing purpose and opening new file and all for that commands. So to clear the workspace you need to type command called clear. Okay, if you type clear means it will erase the workspace history. And CLC, if you type CLC means it will clear the command window. Okay, it will clear both command window and workspace both. Okay, so for example I will give the A value as 23, okay, B value as 44, C value as A plus B, okay, C value is 67. So now I will type CLC. Okay, it will erase the command window, and when you type the command clear, it will clear the workspace. Okay, so or else to clear both you need to just clear all. So this clears workspace, all the variables. It will clear all the variables. So CLC is nothing but a clears command window. That's all. Okay. Okay. So then we will start with the like multiple operations. Okay. So you can do multiple operations. So as related to the electric vehicles. Okay. Normally every vehicles have electric vehicles has the batteries. Okay, so inside the battery, how to identify the battery capacity? You should know two values. One is voltage, one is current. Okay, so when it comes to the like voltage and current, so So you can calculate the power using voltage and current. Okay, so now I will mention the like voltage. So let us take an voltage value v is equal to, let us say the battery voltage is 48. Okay, so 48, and I will take the current. Okay, current value I will take it as 10 amps. I is equal to 10. Okay, semicolon. Then I will calculate the power using these two, where power is equal to V into I. Okay, so this is the power formula. Okay, so V into I, 48 into 10 is nothing but like, let us check the power. So when you click on the run option, so it will ask for save the file. So just you need to give a name. Okay, so and the one more thing, the name should be in a single word. So there should be no space between the two words. Okay, so for example, add. Okay, add 1. So add 1 is also correct. So if you should not give add numbers, this is wrong. Okay, so it will give the error. Okay, always you should name the programming files. Okay, always you should name the programming files in a single word. So you can combine two words using the underscore. Okay, add underscore numbers. This is a correct method. It will save the program without any errors. Okay, now so here like I will clear all the things. Okay, so now let us run this program. So you can just click on the run option. So you will get the power output as 480. Okay, so where the current is 10, voltage is 48. So 10 into 48 is nothing but 480. Okay, the power is 480. Here we have calculated the battery power. Okay, so if you check the battery voltage and current, you can find the power of the battery. Okay, so this is the like first program. So name it as the battery power or anything. Okay, so related to which is related to electric vehicles. Okay, so we will execute the examples related to the electric vehicles only. Okay, not other than this. Okay, so this is the first program. Next, there are multiple formulas. Okay, so for the different operations, let us calculate the motor speed. Okay, with two values. One is RPM, one is wheel radius. Wheel radius is nothing but like how much the wheel diameter is. Radius is equal to like diameter divided by 2. Okay, na. So one wheel radius, we will take an example of radius 0.3. Okay, RPM let us take 3000. Okay, so first variable is RPM is equal to 3000. Okay, rotation per minute. RPM is equal to rotation per minute. And next, wheel underscore radius is equal to 0.3 semicolon. Okay, so RPM is nothing but rotation per minute is 3000. Wheel radius, okay, how much the wheel radius is 0.3. Okay, 0.3 you can take it as 30 centimeters. Okay, so 30 centimeters. So now let us find the total vehicle speed using these two. Okay, so the for the total vehicle speed, the calculations will be like vehicle speed. So you should take again a new variable. Okay, so this is a single variable. Wheel radius is nothing but a single variable. Vehicle speed is nothing but a single variable. If you give actual space between these two, means it will consider two words. Okay, it will give error. For that you need to use underscore to join the two words. Okay, then vehicle speed calculations, let us do the write the formula for the vehicle speed. So when it comes to the vehicle speed, so the formula is 2 into pi into wheel radius, okay, into RPM. bracket close, divided by 60. Okay, so 2 into pi into wheel radius into rpm and total divided by 60. Okay, so this is a formula. So now we will get the actual vehicle speed is kilometer per hour. So let us check it. Okay, click on the run option. Okay, so I will name it as car speed. Okay, car speed, car underscore speed. It will save it as a .m file extension. Just click on the save option. Okay, so now the vehicle speed is around 94.2478 kilometer per hour. Okay, like this you can write the formulas and all. Okay, now okay, so this is rpm, wheel radius, and to find the vehicle speed you need to calculate the formula. Okay, 2 into pi into wheel radius into rpm divided by 60. This is a formula for finding the speed of a vehicle using two values. What are the values? Wheel radius and the rpm. Okay, done. So the next program is, you can write the program in the same same page. Okay, same page, or else you can create a new file here. Okay, or else you can click on this icon, it will create new file where you can write the new program. Okay, so just click on the plus option, then type the next program. So the next program is to calculate the energy. Okay, so what is the energy formula? What is the energy formula? Anyone? So if you know, means you can just put a message, or else you can unmute and tell me the formula. Formula of energy. Don't know? Okay, so here we will find the energy of the vehicle. Okay, so the energy formula is nothing but when you calculate, when you are calculating the energy, there are two values you should know about. Okay, one is power, one is time. Okay, power into time is equal to energy. Okay, now so let us find the energy value from using power and time. Okay, so first we will take power is equal to 2000. Okay, so you can take any values. Okay, now so now I am taking 2000 value as a power. Then we need a time. Time is equal to, so I will take it as 2. Time value will be 2. Okay, so we got two values, power and time. We will calculate the energy. Energy is equal to power into time. Okay, now so yes, so now we will calculate the energy. Okay, 2 into 2000. Okay, power into time. So click on run option. Again give the name energy formula, or else you can give anything. So don't use any special characters, it will give error. So energy formula, click on save. Okay, so now it will execute, and you can find the value, energy value as 4000. Okay, power into time is the calculated value is 4000 energy value. Okay, so there are multiple formulas related to the electric vehicles. You can just check it in the online and all. So or else if you are having one formula, okay, so you can just take the variables here and you can calculate directly. Okay, in the program, in the scripting part. Okay, and these scripting lines you can extend up to unlimited lines. Okay, so if you are having multiple calculations, means you can do it in a single scripting file. Okay, so next, after the energy calculations, Next we will calculate the same energy using different inputs. Okay, what it is means, when you calculating regenerative braking energy. Okay, let us take, you are calculating the regenerative braking energy. Okay, so I will write the same energy formula for the regenerative braking. Okay, so like, you people already know about regenerative energy. So what is the regenerative energy? Okay, so nobody is answering means I will call the names. You should only answer. Okay. Yes, Aishwarya. What is the regenerative braking? Sangeeta. Do you know about regenerative braking?
No, sir.
Okay. So regenerative braking is nothing but like the energy generated during the braking period. Okay, when a electric vehicle is running. Okay, so during running of electric vehicle, when you push the brake pedal, okay, so that energy will be converted into electrical energy. Okay, where the motor acts as a generator. The same motors which are rotating the wheels will act as a generator, and the power is generated by the free rotation of the wheels. Okay, and it will apply the brake. Okay, that is called regenerative braking. Okay, now, so which will like charge the battery in the moving, when the vehicle is moving. Regenerative braking will charge the battery. Okay, so that is a simple method of regenerative in the electric vehicles. Okay, so for that we need two values. One is mass, which is weight of the vehicle. Okay, weight of the vehicle, and the velocity. Velocity is nothing but a speed of the vehicle. Okay, na? So using these two values, you can find the energy in the regenerative braking. Okay, so for the comment, you need to use the percentage values in the that MATLAB scripting. Okay, so here in this tool, percentage means it is a comment. Okay, so now inside the comment I will write as regenerative braking. Okay, formula. So this one, general energy formula. Okay, general. This is not a program. It is not a program. It is comment. Okay, so comments are mainly used to explain or to indicate what what the program is. Okay, so it is a general energy formula. Okay, so regenerative braking formula in electric vehicles. Okay, so these topics I will give it as an assignment. You should like do research on those topics. Okay, so otherwise you will not understand what is the regenerative, what is the normal formulas when it comes to the electric vehicles. Okay, so I will give some questions as an assignment today, so complete it. Okay, and I will check it in the weekend. So all assignments should be uploaded in the same which I have shared in the earlier. Okay, just to the same link. Otherwise I will not issue any certificates to you. Okay, done. So for the regenerative braking, we need to write the formula. We have to take two values. One is mass. Okay, mass is equal to the vehicle. Let us take vehicle weight as a 1200 kg. Okay, 1200 kgs of weight, the vehicle weight. Okay, and next velocity. So you can take any variable name. Okay, so velocity is equal to 20. So which is the speed of the vehicle. Okay, which is meter per seconds. Okay, 20 meter per seconds or meters or anything. You can consider it anything. So by calculating this, we will get the regenerative braking energy. So what is the calculation formula for the regenerative energy means? So I will just take the variable reg underscore energy. Okay, nothing but a regenerative energy. Okay, now regenerative energy is equal to 0.5, okay, then into mass into velocity, okay, and velocity to the power of 2. Okay, so this is the calculation for the regenerative braking energy value. Okay, so regenerative energy, let us calculate this regenerative energy. So let us click on the run option. Okay, yes, so regenerative energy is nothing but a 2,40,000. Okay, so that is the regenerative energy from the electric vehicle, which weighs around 1,200 and which is a speed on 20. Okay, 20 is nothing but it will come around 90 km per hour. Okay, vehicle speed, and the total energy is 2,40,000. Okay, it is a regenerative braking energy of a vehicle which weighs around 1,200 kg and velocity, that is speed, which is 20 meters per seconds, like that. Okay, done. Okay, so like these are the basic formulas. So you can like do it for multiple formulas. You will get various formulas related to the current, voltage, power, watts. Okay, so now let us calculate some more formulas related to the electric vehicles. Those will be like, you can calculate multiple things: battery discharging, motor torques, charging current. Okay, and when it comes to like force, you can calculate the force by torque divided by radius. Okay, when it comes to the like charging current means, you can calculate the charging current using charger power divided by battery voltage. Okay, so you will get the exact charging current. What is the exact charging current? Okay, so after that, when you calculate the wheel force, okay, wheel force is calculated using torque and radius. Okay, torque divided by radius it will give you as a force value. Okay, then you can calculate the efficiency. Okay, so efficiency formula, you will be calculating like output power divided by input power, okay, into 100. Like this you can calculate multiple formulas using the variables. Okay, so like after these small examples, you have got an idea how to write the variables, how to use it and all. Okay, so you know like you will make some mistakes while taking the variables. What it is means, so first you will like you will take numbers. Okay, and okay, so this is a wrong word, wrong variable. Okay, so I have saved one value to this like variable name. So we should not use variables names like this. Okay, when you click on the run option means it will give error. Okay, okay, so simply I will give it as dummy. So now let us check it. So it will give error. Okay, unexpected MATLAB expression. Okay, so this is also wrong. And also you can divide the numbers and the like characters using the underscore. When you run it again, it will give an error, because you should always, when you are taking the variable, there should be no numbers in the starting time. Okay, so there should be numbers, not a number in front of a variable. Okay, so always you should start from the alphabets. This one is correct. Okay, now it will print the color where colors is equal to 1. Okay, this is the right thing. And one more thing, colors color full. Okay, so colorful is nothing but like you have taken two names. Okay, let us check it. So it will give an error. Okay, so always when you are using the variables, you should not use two words. You can join the two words using the underscore. When you click on the run option, it will show the colorful is equal to 1. This is the correct method. Okay, and here you can use any numbers in the middle of the characters or anything. Okay, so here I will use color 123 full. So now it will give the exact value color 123 full. Okay, so this is correct one. You can use the numbers colorful 123. Okay, at the middle, at the last is okay, but numbers should not be in front of the variable. That's all. Okay, and you should not use any special characters like into, star, like that. Okay, so this is a wrong method. So dollars. Okay, these are all will give the errors. You should not use the special characters. Okay, other than characters and numbers. That's all. Okay, so you should not use these values. This is wrong. Okay, so like this you need to avoid errors in the variables. Okay, so this is all about the variables. And to comment a line, you should just add the percentage value. Okay, percentage is nothing but like it will comment that line. Okay, now if you run the program, means it will not show anything. It will just show the program name. Okay, so now it is empty. So when you click on the run option, it will show only the file name dummy. Okay, so it will not run the program because this is a command. Okay, now I will remove this percentage symbol and I will run it. Okay, so now it is showing the output colorful 1 2 3. Okay, so like this. So comment variables. Okay, and what are the like things you should do before taking the variable, after taking the variable. Okay, so once more check these execute these programs in your laptops. Okay, I will share the in detailed material according related to the basic programs. Okay, in the Google Classroom. After this class I will share it, all the programs, then you can refer those programs and you can do it. Okay, so try these formulas, and you can execute all the programs in a single sheet. Okay, single script, but you need to take a different variables. So let us like take time. So you already used time variable here. Okay, again you should not use the same variable for the different value. Okay, so I will again load the time value is equal to, let us say, 4. Okay, so now what happens, it will calculate this correctly. Okay, so after this it will take the time value as 4. Okay, so sometimes the output will be different. Okay, that's why always we need to check the variables before assigning the value. Okay, so I will I have assigned two values for the same variable. Let us check the output here. So yes, so that value is for that 4. Okay, power into like first value, the time value is 2, power is 2000. Okay, now 2 like it is taken the value as 4 into 2000 is nothing but 4000 8000. Okay, sorry, 8000. Okay, so avoid this to get the wrong informations, wrong result. Okay, so always you should take a single variable. So if you are using the same variable, means just you can change the value as 1, time 1. Okay, time 1 or time 2. This is correct. This is a different variable. Okay, so now it will show the exact energy value, that is 4000. Time 2. Okay, 2 into 2000 is nothing but 4000. That's all. Okay, so now it is not taking this value 4. If you write this variable as time 2, it will take the 4 value and you will get the value as 8000. Okay, so always when you are using two variables in a single program, try to change the variable names. Okay, otherwise the result will be different. Okay, so 1 minute. Okay, So the basic about variables. So now we will start with the data types. Okay. So always like when you are assigning the values to the variables, you need to like use these data types. Okay. So if you are using the like only numbers, okay, then it will be like integer. Okay, now. So when you are using like alphabets, okay, you should use the characters. Okay, when it is like decimal value, you should use double. Okay, like this you should take the variables according to that values and all. Okay, so let us check the some basic data types in the MATLAB scripting part. Okay, so first, yes, so I will show one example here. Okay, yes. So to save the only number values, okay, so let us take voltage value. Voltage is equal to 48. Okay, so you can take any value, 12. Okay, that's also correct. Okay, so this is a like you will get a double value. So here you can take 2.5, 3.5 or anything. Okay, so then for the characters, okay, so you can type name is equal to single inverted comma. So you can take Surya. Okay, this is a characters. Okay, then so like for the status and all, we can take the like the another variables and all. Okay, now so for the true or false, it is called as a logical operations. You can do it for multiple operations. Okay, so now let us run this program. So I will name it as values. So here I will make it as 12.5 or 6 something else. Okay, okay, so yes, I will run this program. So now I will check the value inside the name. Okay, name it's showing Surya. Okay, the name variable is saved with the characters called Surya, and next I will print the voltage. So let us check the voltage value. Okay, so voltage value is 12.5600. Okay, so this is the decimal value. Okay, decimal is nothing but a double. So you here the data type is used as a double. Okay, for this the characters char is used. Okay, so when you are writing C program, these like the variables should be used like this. Initially they will be considered as integer characters. Okay, float, long. Okay, so these are all the data types used in the C program. Okay, yes. So here you can also write the multiple conditions, increment, decrement, lesser, greater. Okay, so now let us take a simple logical example. Okay, so let us say one variable. Okay, so here only. Okay, so I will take the same program here. Okay, yes, so I will take a new variable called speed. Okay, speed is equal to 80. So I will take it as 80. Semicolon means it will not print it in the output window. Okay, so this line will be not printed in the output in the command window. Okay, so to print this value, you can just type the speed and click on enter. It will print the data inside that variable. Okay, so first we will save the 80 value inside the speed variable. Okay, so after that we will check whether the speed is less than 20. Okay, let us run this program. Okay, so it will check whether the speed value is less than 20 or not. Okay, yes, 0. You got the answer 0 because so 80 is not less than 20. Okay, 80 is greater than 20. So I will give the greater than value here. Okay, so now let us check the output. The answer is 1. Here the logic became true. Okay, because speed is having the value as 80. Okay, so now if you check whether the speed is greater than 20 means it says true, 8 is greater than 20. Same here, so I will make it as 200. Let us check, speed is greater than 200. What is the output? 0. Okay, that means it is a false. 80 is not greater than 200, it is less than 200. Okay, so I will make it 80 as 800. Okay, now let us run the program. Yes, the answer is 1 because 800 is greater than 200. Okay, like this you can check the relational operations. Okay, okay, so now let us try the division part. Okay, so I will put the semicolon here. Okay, next, so I will take two values. Okay, that is to find the speed value. So first one is distance is equal to 120. I will make it as 120. Okay, so next time I will take it as 2. Okay, to find the speed I need to calculate distance divided by time. Distance divided by means something slash. Okay, time. Okay, so if you put semicolon means it will not print the answer. So if you remove the semicolon means it will print the last which is not put which you have not used the semicolon, that line will be printed. Okay, so now all the lines are used semicolon, this line is not used semicolon, so that's why this answer will be visible in the output side. Okay, let us check the answer. Speed is 60. 120 divided by 2 is nothing but 60. Okay, so now we have made the division. Okay, so before this we have done multiple operations, multiplication, subtraction, addition. You can do whatever. Okay, in the mathematical operations. Okay, now and let us take one more example. So first we will save the battery value. Okay, say I will save the battery value is equal to 50. Okay, so now I will check whether the battery value is 50. So for that you need to just type battery is equal to 50. Okay, so let us check the answer. What is the answer? Let us check it. Okay, answer is 1 because like is the battery value is 50 or not. So I will change the 50 value as 60. Now the answer will be 0. Why means, so it will check whether the battery value is 50 or not. Is equal to is nothing but compare the two values. Whether the value inside the battery is 50 and the value here is same. Otherwise it will give the 0. If the two values are same means it will give 1. Okay, like this you can use these signs, symbols during the programming, like writing the program and all. Okay, na? Semicolon. So it will execute all the operations, but here it will only shows the lines which are not used semicolon. Okay, done. So these are the multiple operations in a single program. So if you remove semicolon in every line means it will show all the answers in the output part. Okay, so here I will clear the workspace now. Just type the clear and enter CLC. It will clear the command window. That's all. Okay, so now we have cleared all the variables. So now let us run it. So see here. So what are all the variables here? We have used all the variables obtained in the workspace. Okay, and here so here it shows, like you can check the variable what are the variables is. Okay, so answer. So if you click on the battery, it is a double. Okay, so normally it will take all the variables as a double, but answer will be either 1 or 0. The answer we have found is 1 or 0, that is true or false. True or false is nothing but a logical, that's why it is showing logical. Then the battery value is 150, so it takes as an integer or double. Both are similar in the MATLAB scripting. Okay, distance is also double. And when it comes to the name is a characters. Okay, this variable is a character. Next, speed, so this is a double, so this is also a double. Okay, next let us check the voltage. this is also double. Okay, so this one is only characters. Like this you can take any data types. Okay, there are multiple data types, you can use take any one. And also there one more, there is an yes, array. Okay, so array, like you can take any names. Okay, so okay, Kiran is equal to, let us write an array like 1 space 2 space 3, close the bracket. Okay, so let us run this program. Okay, so Kiran will be saved in the array called 1 2 3. So let us check the variable Kiran. So here it shows 1 cross 3 double. Okay, 1 cross 3 double means like array, it is an array. Okay, 3 values are saved in a single variable. Okay, like this you can take any names. Okay, now okay, so let us take a new file and execute some more operations in the MATLAB scripting part. Okay, so now we will take two values and check the two values at the same time. Okay, and give the output if any one is true. Like that we will do write the program. Okay, first we will calculate, we will take the speed value. Okay, speed is equal to 70. Okay, speed, first speed value will be 70, and battery value will be 40. Okay, okay, done. So we have taken two variables and saved two values in it. So before that we will clear both workspace and command window, CLC. Okay, done. So we have cleared workspace and command window. So now let us write whether the conditions are true or not. I have two conditions. For that, open the bracket, speed greater than 60, close the bracket. Write two AND operations. Battery is greater than 30. Done. So let us check this statement. So when you click on the run option, it will ask to save it. Okay, so relation. Okay, relation. I will save it as relation. Click on enter. So now if you click on the run option, means it will answer will be 1 because speed is greater than 60. So here we have taken one condition. Okay, speed is greater than 60, which is correct. Okay, which is true. Then battery is greater than 30, which is also true. And options are nothing but multiplications. Okay, it will check both the conditions and calculate it using the multiplication symbol. Okay, into. So here true is nothing but a 1. Here also true, nothing but a 1. 1 into 1 will be 1. The answer is 1. If one of these two is wrong, then it gives answer as a 0. Let us check it. So 30 I will make it as 90. Okay, now so let us run this program. Okay, so now the answer is 0 because here you will get the 0. Okay, so this is a false and this one is true. 1 into 0 is nothing but a 0. Okay, this is true but this is wrong. Okay, then the answer will be 0 because here we have used and operations. Okay, like that. So these are used in the while writing the conditions and all. Okay, so when you checking both the conditions at a time and executing the below code, for that purpose we use and options. Okay, right. So you can make it as any values, and also you can make it multiple operations here. So you can take as voltage values. Okay, voltage is equal to 100 semicolon, and also you can write here and operations, and voltage, check the voltage is less than 100 or not. Okay, so like this. So now let us check the output here. The answer is 0 because speed is greater than 60, correct. battery is greater than 90, wrong, voltage is smaller than 100. Okay, so this is also false. So let us check the change the battery value. Okay, so I will change the battery value as 400. Now let us click on the run option. The answer is 0 because here this statement is wrong. Okay, we will correct this one also. So voltage is equal to 0. Okay, let us check it and click on run option. Now the answer is 1 because 3 conditions are true. The speed is greater than 60, that is 70. Battery is greater than 90, that is 400. Voltage is equal to 100, which is exactly 100. Okay, so like this you can write the conditions for the multiple variables. So here you need to decide 1 and 0. Okay, 1 means it will execute the part which is inside the condition. 0 means it will not execute the program which is inside the condition. That's all. Okay. Yes. Okay, so after this we will start with the basic matrices. Okay, vectors. So there will be 1D, 2D, okay, 3D types of matrix. So you can also add, subtract, multiply matrix in the MATLAB software. First we will take a matrix to a variable. Okay, so let us take a matrix. Okay, so you can take a new file, click on the new options, or else you can just click on the plus mark here. Okay, and all the executed programs will be saved inside that desktop folder, which is MATLAB programs. Okay, so first take a variable called speed. Before this, clear the workspace and the command window. Okay, clear it. Okay, so workspace is clear. Click when you type CLC means command window will clear. Okay, then speed is equal to, so let us start with the matrix. Okay, matrix. So 10 space 20 space 30 space 40. This means it is a 1D array. Okay, so which is 1 cross 3 matrix. Okay, now 1 cross 4 matrix, sorry. Yes, so speed is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so let us check it. So when you execute this program, it will give the name for a file. So I will give as matrix calculations underscore. You should use underscore between two words. Calculations. Okay, it will save as .m file. So when you run it in the output side, it will show speed is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so this is a matrix. Okay, so after that, these are row vector. Okay, now so these are all the rows. Okay, so then for the column vectors. Okay, column vectors, you need to take like speed. I will take a different variable, speed 2. Speed 2 is equal to, so for the column vector you need to type 10, 20, 30, 40. These are columns. Okay, so like these are the columns, these are the rows. So if you write the matrix like this, means it will only write it in a single row. Okay, so if you write this, means it is having only one row, but it is having 4 columns. Here it is having 4 rows but single column. Okay, that is the difference between this one. Okay, when you write this type of matrix, it is only 1 column and 4 rows. Okay, when you write the matrix like this, it will take it as 4 columns, 1 row. Okay, yes. So these are the two matrices. When you click on the run option, you will get this values. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40. So this is a column vector, this is a row vector. Sorry, to column vector you need to use the semicolon, not comma. You should always use the semicolon. Sorry. Yes, when you click on the run option, so it will give the column vector here. Okay, so this is a row vector. Okay, this one is a column vector. Okay, So how to differentiate this by variable in means you should give space. Okay, so every space it will take it as a new row. After every semicolon it will take it as new column. Okay, new columns like that. Okay, yes. Okay, so now we will take one more matrix which is 2D array. Okay, so for that I will take the battery value. Battery is equal to, open the square bracket, 48 space 10 semicolon, enter. Again you can enter any name, 32 space 12, okay, semicolon, enter. Okay, 45 space 14 semicolon, or else bracket, close the bracket, sorry, close the bracket. Okay, semicolon. So this will give you the 2D array. Let us check the output here. Okay, so run, and here we have used the semicolon. Okay, so for the because of that it will not give the answer in the output window. So we need to type battery here. Okay, so first we'll run it. So here we will get the matrix calculation. So we will not get any answers here. So you should type the battery variable here, battery. It will give the matrix 2D array. Okay, 48 10 32 12 45 14. Okay, so these are 2D array. Okay, so like this you need to write the matrix when you're taking the variables with the matrix means you should always type like this. Okay, now so if you give same details for the another variables means you can multiply both, add both, or you can do anything. Okay, so I will take it as okay, so let us battery, I will change the battery as power. Okay, so let us take a power. Okay, or else we will take voltage. Okay, then we will take the current value. Okay, current is equal to new matrix 2 space 3 semicolon 4 space 5 semicolon, okay, 1 space 2 bracket close semicolon. Okay, so now let us check the current. So voltage and current. Okay, voltage and current. So first we will take the voltage. So we got the 2D array. Then we will check it for current. Yes, we got the 2D array. Both are 2D array. So now we will calculate the power. And okay, P is equal to voltage into current. Okay, so I click on the start. Sorry, so plus, okay, let us check it. Yes, so when you add two matrix you will get the answer, but when it is multiplication it is giving some error. Okay, so let us check it later. So now you can do the additions. Okay, na? So voltage, current, so I will take it as any value. Okay, so voltage I will take it as A, B. Okay, then the formula I will take as C is equal to A plus B. So this is a matrix addition. So here we can do the matrix addition. 50, okay, 13, 36, 17, 46, 17, 16. Okay, sorry. So for the same matrix row into columns you cannot do multiplication. You can do addition and subtraction, but you cannot do the multiplication for the same matrices. Okay, that's why it is giving error. Okay, so A minus B, you can also do A minus B, which gives the value as 46, 7, 28, 7, 44, 12. Okay, so you can put it as B minus A. That's it will give you the negative values. Okay, 46 minus 7, like this. Okay, you can do the matrix calculations. So for the matrix calculations, you can also do it as like this. Okay. So now we have obtained this c value. Okay, so let us check this c value. So c inside the bracket. Okay, so a minus b, I will make it as a minus b. Okay, so c 1 comma 2, let us check the answer here. Okay, yes, 7. So before that we will display the c matrix 7. So 1 comma 2 is nothing but a like, yes, so 1 comma 2 is nothing but a first first column second row. So that is first column means 0, 0th column, first column, second means 7. So this is 7. Okay, so I will change this value. So I will change it as 4. Okay, let us check the answer here. Yes. Okay, so like this you can check the matrix calculations. So also when you can find the numbers where the numbers is inside the matrices. Okay. Okay, so one more instruction, that is okay. Yes. So after this instructions, I will calculate, I will multiply the C matrix with 4. Okay, so let us check it. So like this you can calculate the matrix. Okay, so now all the values inside the matrix C will be multiplied with the 2. Okay, okay, so now the answer is 7. So like it will show the fourth number. What is the fourth number? It will show the fourth number. Done. Yes, so now we will do the matrix multiplication. So for the multiplication you need to you can do the 2 cross 2 matrix. You can take the 2 cross 2 matrix and you can do the multiplication. So let us check it. So for that we will take the A. So and small a and capital A both are different. Okay, so don't think both are same. Small a is another variable, capital A is another variable. Okay, so for the A we will take 2 matrices, so which is 1 space 2, okay, semicolon 3 space 4 bracket close. So for the B we will take, open up square bracket, 5 space 6 semicolon 7 space 8 bracket close. Okay, so now we will calculate C is equal to A into B. Okay, so let us check the answer. Okay, yes, so now we got the answers. So this is the answer. Okay, 19, 22, 43, 50. This is a C matrix. Okay. So inside the matrix there are multiple examples, you can check it. Okay, so I will share the in detailed material in the Google Classroom. From there you can check it. Okay, multiple examples which are related to the MATLAB commands. Okay, now. Okay, so like these are the basics programs related to the variables, data types, okay, matrices, okay, vectors. So there are multiple programs and topics inside the matrix scripting. So this week we will learn about these basics. Okay, after that we will move towards the MATLAB Simulink part. Okay, so like if you have any doubts related to the variables, okay, data types, okay, so you can ask here, and or else you can just put a message in the class.